Jai Shri Gurudev. So in last class we already discussed some related problems to exponential and logarithmic problems. No, derivatives of the exponential functions and logarithmic functions. Exercise 5.4. Some other problems in this video. So question number 4. Differentiate the following with respect to x. Already told. No? Fourth question. D by dx of sin of tan inverse of e power minus x. So like that they are giving confusion marker. Okay na? Don't be confused. So d by dx of sin of tan inverse of e power minus x. Okay. So it is a chain rule. Chain rule use ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿ. Before going to this problem, first you have to know d by dx of e power minus ನ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಹಿಂಗೆ ಏನು? First d by dx of e power minus x. What is the answer for this one? First we have to know. E power minus x ಅಂದ್ರೆ minus 1 into x. Minus 1 into x ಇದ್ದಾಗ. So e power minus x. E power ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ x ತರ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. e power minus x into d by dx of minus x. d by dx of minus x. So therefore e power minus x into d by dx of minus x. Minus x is what? d by dx of minus x is equal to minus 1. So minus 1. So minus 1 is what? So minus e power minus x. So this is the answer. Put it. E power minus x, what is the answer? d by dx of e power minus x is equal to minus e power minus x. Minus of e power minus x. So this is the answer. Minus of e power minus x. Okay. Very familiar formula this one. You have to keep it in your mind. Next we will move to the question number 4. Why sir you are telling this one means we are using here now. Now use what we do. That's right. Okay. d by dx of sin of tan inverse e power minus x. Sin of tan inverse. ಏನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಸೈನ್ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಸೈನ್ ಸೊ therefore had to search the differentiation derivative of sin. What is the sin? cos. No, cos x ಅಂತ ಏನು ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಸರ್ ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ x ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ x treat just this whole as x ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ x ತರ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಸೊ therefore sin ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ cos of this whole thing ಎಲ್ಲ ಇರೋದು ಹಂಗೆ ಬರೀ ಸೊ tan inverse of e power minus x. Okay. ಹಂಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಾ? No, don't do like that. Again you have to differentiate inside of the sign. Sign ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತೆ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So d by dx of tan inverse of e power minus x. ಎಷ್ಟು ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಓಕೆ ಸೊ like that you have to simplify. My dear students, very easy problem. Chain rule ಅಂತ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ this is over now. Write down same. ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬರೀರಿ ನಾವು ಓಕೆ cos of tan inverse of e power minus x over next d by dx of tan inverse of e power minus x. d by dx of tan inverse. Next what you pronounce first? ಏನು ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಫಸ್ಟ್ tan inverse ಅದು ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ tan inverse. We have to search the formula of the tan inverse. Tan inverse ಗೆ formula search ಮಾಡಿ. What is the formula for tan inverse? d by dx of tan inverse x. d by dx of tan inverse x is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus x square. Already told very familiar formula anta in last video, before last video, so many times told. Keep it in your mind, my dear students. d by dx of tan inverse x is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus x square. 1 divided by 1 plus x square. Okay. Write down here. d by now you tell me tan inverse of x ತರ ಇದೆ ಇವಾಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬರೆಯಿರಿ 1 divided by 1 plus x ಇದಲ್ವಾ x ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬರೆಯಿರಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ x ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನಿದೆ x ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನಿದೆ e ಪವರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ x ಸೊ therefore x ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡಿ x ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಏನು ಬರೀಬೇಕು e ಪವರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ x ಬರೀಬೇಕು x ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಆ ಥರ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ನಾಲೆಜ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ e ಪವರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ x ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ e ಪವರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ x ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ e ಪವರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ x ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಓವರ್ so 1 plus e power minus x whole square. So like that you have to simplify. Over. ಹಂಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಾ? No. Again you have to do e power x minus ನ ಮತ್ತೆ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ. So therefore d by dx of e power minus x. e power minus x. d by dx of e power minus x ನ ಮತ್ತೆ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Okay? Right. So cos of tan inverse of e power minus x into what divided by the what is divided by okay divided by this one 1 plus e power minus x into 2 minus x into 2 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ minus 2x ಆಗುತ್ತಾ multiplication a power m over power n formula is there in plus okay a power mn e power minus x into 2 ಏನು multiplication ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 2 ಬರ್ತದೆ minus 2x e power minus 2x over next into again e power minus d by dx of e power minus x already first stage na what is the formula for this one directly write later e power minus x is minus e power minus multiplication e minus na first one so is equal to minus e minus this is not subtraction minus multiplication minus minus of in here first minus of e power minus x into this one cos of tan inverse of cos of tan inverse of e power minus x okay e power minus x divided by 1 plus e power minus 1 plus e power minus 2 ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ so e power minus 2 so somewhat difficult concept but if you understood means very easy ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಓಕೆನಾ next we will see the next question okay next question number 5 so d by dx of log of cos of e power x okay so this is also chain rule 3 times differentiation log of e power x okay what is the formula for the log of value ಇದೆಲ್ಲ x ತರ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ x ತರ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ so therefore log x ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ so 1 by x so d by dx of log means what d by dx of log is equals to 1 by x no so x plus 1 ಏನಿದೆ cos of e power x so 1 by cos of e power x ಆ ಥರ ಮಾಡೋಣ x ಬರೀಬೇಕು x plus ಇದು ಬರೀಬೇಕು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಓವರ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ again differentiate log ಆಗೋದು next this one I had to differentiate so d by dx of so 1 by cos e power x d by dx of say cos e log ಇದ್ರೆ ಈ ಥರ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ okay divided ಸರಿ is equal to 1 divided by cos e power x into again what is pronouns cos pronouns ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ cos of e power x is what cos of e power x minus sin cos ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ minus sin ಇದೆ ಓ minus sin of e power x into d by dx of d by dx it's simple ಆಗಿದೆ ಈ minus is coming 1 into minus so minus sin of e power x divided by cos of e power x into d by dx of e power x very easy sin by cos tan ಆಗುತ್ತಾ so therefore minus tan of e power x into minus e power x ಇದೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ so is equal to minus ಬರೀನಾ right e power x minus e power x. That minus will be minus is there on the side. Sin by cos tan e power x. Very easy problem. So ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ we move to the next question. ಹಿಂಗೆ ಅಂತ. See next question. d by dx, question number 6. d by dx of e power x square and so on e power x to the power of 1. Okay, ಅದೊಂದೇ ಮಾಡೋಣ. So is equal to, so d by dx of e power x plus d by dx of e power x square plus, okay, x cube ಮಾಡಿ. So d by dx of e power x cube, okay, plus d by dx of e power x to the power of 4 plus d by dx of e power x to the power of 5. So these 5 values you have to do. Okay na, 5 values you ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, next please. See, there is no space there. I'll do here. Is equal to d by dx of e power x is what? d by dx of e power x is equal to e power x only. Formula, well-known formula is there. So d by dx of e power x square already told, e power x square into d by dx of x square. So therefore e power x square into d by dx of x plus, okay, next same procedure, x cube plus e power x cube into d by dx of x cube, okay, plus e power x to the power of 4 into d by dx of x to the power of 4 plus e power x to the power of 5 into d by dx of x to the power of 5 to the power of 5 over. Next simplify ಮಾಡೋಣ. So e power x into d by dx of x square, familiar one, 2x into e power x square plus 2x into e power x square plus x cube here, d by dx of x cube 3x square into e power x cube plus x to the power of 4x cube into d by dx into e power x to the power of 4 plus, next d by dx of x to the power of 5x to the power of 4 into e power x to the power of 4. So this is done. But either you simplify ಮಾಡಿ. First, second step, third step. Very easy problem. So next ಯಾಕೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, but concept is very easy. Concept ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಈಸಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. So problem is lengthy, that's it. Okay. See my dear friends, next question number 7. d by dx of root of e power root x. So confusion okay na. So how to do this one, see, confusion ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಾರ್ದು. How to solve this one ಆಯ್ತು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ರೂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ರೂಟ್ ಓಕೆ. ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ರೂಟ್ ಏನೇನ ಇದೆ, ರೂಟ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಏನೇನ ಇದೆ, ಓಕೆ, ರೂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಫಾರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್? 1/2 root x na, right ಅಲ್ಲ, 1/2 root x x ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, x ಒಳಗೆ x ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಏನಿದೆ, ಸೊ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ, ರೂಟ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ e ಪವರ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ, ರೂಟ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ಸೊ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ರೂಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ರೈಟ್ 1/2 root x. ಸೊ ಈ ರೂಟ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೂಟ್, ಓಕೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ರೂಟ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ರೂಟ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಮತ್ತೆ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಅಗೇನ್. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ಫೋರ್ d by dx e ಪವರ್ ರೂಟ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಇವಾಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಏನು ಸ್ಪೀಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ನೀವು, which one speaks first means you have to differentiate first that one. Okay, that's it, that is the technique, easy technique. Okay, nobody tells you. This is answer. So 1 divided by 2 into root of e power root x into again e power root x. Tell me again, it is the form of e power x ತರ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, e power x plus ಒಳಗೆ ಏನು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, by dx of ಎಷ್ಟು ಈಸಿ ಆಗಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಲಾಜಿಕ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಲಾಜಿಕ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿ, ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇದು e power root x divided by 2 into root of e power root x into d by dx of root x. d by dx of direct formula is d by dx of root x is equal to 1 by 2 root x. 1 by 2 root x. Okay na? So like that we have to simplify. Now next is very easy problem. Next we will move to the next problem. d by dx of log of log x. One of the important question. Very important. How to do this? First what you are pronouncing? First pronounce ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ log ಅಂತ pronounce ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. log of log x. ಇದರೆಲ್ಲ x ಅಂತ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. log x ನಲ್ಲಿ x ಅಂತ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ct gadgets log x ತರ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಹಾಗೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಫಾರ್ log x. log x ಏನು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ? 1 by x. clear one is 1 by x. x plus what ಏನಿದೆ? x plus what ಏನಿದೆ? log x ಎಲ್ಲ x. So therefore log x. Okay, inside of this one we have to differentiate again. So d by dx of this is called chain rule with respect to logarithmic and exponential. Okay, 1 divided by log x into d by dx of log x, 1 by x. So this is the answer. 1 into 1 divided by x log x log x. Okay, x log x. So this is the answer. Okay, d by dx of x log x. Okay, very easy problems. So my dear students, if you have any doubt, means please comment in this video. Otherwise through WhatsApp you can communicate. Okay, if you like this video, please share and subscribe to my channel. Okay, and once again I had done some formulas ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. So number of times I am making the revision means you have to learn. Okay, in that way ನೀವು ಅದರ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರನೇ ನೀವು ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೇಕ್ ದ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಬೆಟರ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಆಗಿ ನೀವು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಯು ಕಾಂಟ್ ಡೂ ಇಟ್ ಅನದರ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಡಿ ಬೈ ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೈನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್, ಡಿ ಬೈ ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್, ಡಿ ಬೈ ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸೀಕೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ನ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೇಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲ್ಯಾಟರ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಒಳಗೆ, ನೋಡ್ಬೋದೀಗ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಡಿ ಬೈ ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಕೊಸಿಕೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್, ಡಿ ಬೈ ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೊಸಿಕೆಂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಕೊಸಿಕೆಂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕಾಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್, ಡಿ ಬೈ ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೀಕೆಂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್, ಡಿ ಬೈ ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ e power x already told now, ಡಿ ಬೈ ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ e power x, ಡಿ ಬೈ ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ e power 2x 2 into e power 2x, ಡಿ ಬೈ ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ e power 3x 3 into e power 3x, d by dx of e power 8x 8 into e power 8x. Like that you have to think. E power minus x, d by dx of e power minus x minus e power minus x. Okay, so d by dx of log x already told, very important here, logarithmic function 1 by x, d by dx of log x 1 by x. Like that you have to practice by heart ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. formulas by heart. Okay, here you have to use the by heart method, not the problem by heart ಮಾಡಬಾರದು. formulas you have to by heart. Okay, with technically you have to by heart. Okay, go by heart method. So minus ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. c ಇರೋದ್ರ ಮೈನಸ್ cos cosecant cot ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ಲಸ್. ಮೈನಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ದ ಮೇಜರ್ ರೋಲ್. ಮೈನಸ್ ಕೂಡ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮೇಜರ್ ರೋಲ್ ಪ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಇರೋದಲ್ಲ. ಹಿಯರ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ in last inverse trigonometric functions. d by dx of sin inverse x 1 divided by root of 1 minus x square cos inverse x minus 1 cos inverse x. D by dx of tan inverse x 1 divided by 1 plus x square. D by dx of cot inverse x minus 1 divided by 1 plus x square. Like that you have to read. Every day you have to practice. Take one cardboard sheet, write all the formula. Every day see and tell yourself. Okay, automatically your knowledge will increase, your interest will increase. If you sit quiet means you won't get anything, my dear friends. Please, okay, have to practice like that. Cardboard sheet ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಒಂದು ಹ್ಯಾಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ವಾಲ್ ಮೇಲೆ, ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಡೈಲಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಗೋ ಬೈ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೀಯಿಂಗ್, going and coming, seeing means will get the knowledge. Attaida, and here what is the formula? Another time will be d by dx of log x 1 by x, d by dx of e power x, e power x. Here these two formulas are very very important. These type of formulas with chain rule we are doing. Have to practice. If you not understood means number of times you have to watch this video only. Then only you will gain the knowledge. Otherwise, if you keep quiet means you won't get the knowledge, my dear students. Okay, thank you.